Nirmala, and this is your podcast, One Life, One Story, where a special you shares your special story. Today we have Garima as the guest of the show. Garima is an IT professional. She's very much associated with many NGOs. She was in the Cape Town for a good 5 years. She enjoys working for the betterment of the environment. Welcome to the show, Garima.
Hi, Nirmala. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to this show.
So, Garima, I'm super excited to know about your celebrity baby, the blessed baby who became a celebrity the very moment she was born. So, tell us about her.
So, actually, that began, is I was so much conscious because we decided to have baby after, 10 year of marriage, second baby. So, I was more conscious about my baby. So, I took a lot of fruits. I created a chart that I will eat this, that. I will follow that chart. I will do that, this, I will do that. And, there was a kind of routine which I have followed, and that's a kind of surprise. I was thinking it to having a healthy baby, but I was not knowing about like my baby will create a record actually.
Yeah. So, carry on. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, so we went for the ultrasound, and in that ultrasound, the weight of the baby was showing only 2.5 kg. So that was less than 2.5 kg. And when the baby was born, so doctor was like, they did not tell me about the weight at that time because they were worrying about, for so much weight baby, how that baby will, react to this world and all. So when I asked, why all are silent? So they first did not say anything. Then they said, do you know your baby is born with 5.05 kg weight? And I was like, oh my God. So, and that was so exciting to me. They said this is the heaviest and healthiest baby you have delivered, and it's a kind of record in so
It's
all
a
the
record.
doctors.
Definitely, it's a world record.
So and the thing is that I was non-diabetic. So mostly the baby, they carry more weight, but those mothers are diabetic mothers. So it's a kind of term, gastrointestinal diabetes, which happen most of the women during pregnancy. So when the mother is diabetic, so the baby weight could be there. But in my case, I was not diabetic. I was not having any complications, nothing at all. And then in my case, a non-diabetic mother delivered a healthiest baby. That's a kind of rarest case actually. So my baby is, it's a kind of macrosomic baby in the term of medical when we call about. So doctor was like so much shocked, and they were saying, "Oh, we did an ultrasound 10 days before, but the baby weight was not like that." I said, "Yeah, even I'm not sure how is the weight, but our baby gave us surprise."
Yeah, it's a big surprise. So it's a very silly question. It's a very woman-oriented question, though. Was your tummy really, really big that you were carrying a baby of that weight, or was your tummy normal? Because doctors couldn't recognize that, couldn't identify that, right?
So, so if you talk about the weight, so I'm already healthy. Means my weight is already good. So even I did not realize. However, my tummy was quite big. Actually, that was quite big. So people used to, stay. Means they used to stop me and ask me, "Are you going to deliver twins?" So I said, "No, it's not." So 2-3 people asked me that, "Are you going to deliver twins?" I said, "No, it's a single. No twins are there." So yeah, so it was quite, but the weight, you usually they said that it's an amniotic fluid due to which your tummy grows, or due to the baby's activity, so tummy grows like that. So I thought maybe it could be like that, but I was not knowing about this. So it is like that only. Yeah.
That's great. So the baby was born very healthy, also, right? God
Yeah.
bless her.
So healthy, heavy, and with a good all kind of what the doctor says. This is the healthiest baby with complexions and all. Everything means when we say about the features and all, everything was like, it's a kind of God has made with his hand, his or her hand.
Oh,
The
how
baby.
sweet. Yeah, yeah, how sweet. So now tell me about the spread about your baby's delivery. I got to know, you told me that it was in media, it wasn't even international media. How did it go, and how did you guys take it? I mean, it must be really thrilling and exciting for you guys as parents.
Yeah, definitely. Actually, we just went to the hospital for normal checkup after delivering the baby. Then my doctor said, Garima, have you seen today's newspaper? I said, no, I don't know. What happened, doctor? What happened? Then she showed me. You just see this paper. Oh, and I was like, what is that paper? And I saw, hey, it's me in the paper. It's my baby in the paper. Yeah, she said, yeah. And she showed me at least 10 papers. Okay. And
Wow.
Hindustan Times, Times of India, Lokmat, and most of the famous paper. And I was just like, oh, I'm here in the, and even doctor was so surprised. Like my doctor was also thinking like the baby would be of the normal weight, but due to that, my doctor was also very happy that she handled that case of the heaviest and healthiest
Right,
baby.
right, right. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so she was also very, very, very happy, and she showed me Garima. See, so whenever some new news coming, she used to, message me. Garima, see, this news has come about your babies and all. So that was okay. Once I got a call from the lady, and then she told me that I want to interview you. I said, for what? So then she said, actually, we are from Catters. To be very honest, I was not knowing about Catters. What is Catters? Then I said, okay, but for what? About your baby. I said,
Mm.
okay, about my baby. I said, okay, I'm okay to give. Then she asked me so many things, and how was your pregnancy? What do you eat? What did you eat during that thing? What routine you followed? So I explained each and everything. Till that time, I was not having any clue. Like she's from that much big media group. So
Right.
I explained her each and everything, and she said, okay, okay. Second day, second or third day, when the news published, and my news published, and my doctor called me, Garima, you are on Catters. I said, what? Then she said, this is the biggest news agency in the world. It is British news agency, international British news agency. And I was so happy. I was not knowing about this. And she captured
Become famous.
each and everything about my baby. She asked me. So that was seriously, my baby made me. She's a born celebrity. Actually, she's a
Yes,
star.
yes. Absolutely, absolutely. She actually made you guys also famous. I mean, she made her parents also famous.
Definitely. Even we were not knowing about that. We are going to give a birth a miracle. That's a
Yeah, it
kind
is
of
indeed a
miracle for
miracle.
us.
It is indeed a miracle. Thank you so much, Garima, and we wish you all the best. We wish all the best to your beautiful, miraculous daughter. I'm sure she will do great in future when she grows up. And very nice talking to you, Garima. Thank you once again. Have a good day.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Nirmala. Thank you so much
Bye
for
bye.
inviting me. Thanks, Nirmala. Yeah.